Hey guys, if you are an international student or an international worker, there is definitely a good news because Canada Immigration has made some changes to work permit, or if you call it a study permit, which are applicable from now itself. And Canada Immigration has shared this information on their official handle. What is good that's happening for international students and international workers for all of you in Canada? To know that, stay tuned with us in this video on everything about Canada.
Check, Johnny Hans.
Check, this is Johnny Hans, and welcome to this YouTube channel, which is called Everything About Canada, on which we are going to talk in this video that what are the latest changes that are happening for international students as well as for international workers, and what is the latest update from Canada Immigration. Well, and if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing this YouTube channel, because on this YouTube channel, we're going to share with you everything which is related to Canada. If Canada is your dreamland, then this is your dream channel. Well, we're going to talk about, first of all, what's happening about the latest update from IRCC, which is Immigration, Refugee and Citizenship Canada. And they have declared that the international students who were in a process to renew their study permit, or if their study permits are expiring, normally they have a restoration period of only 90 days. But the thing is that even if they're applying for renewal, it's taking longer than expected because of the pandemic and a lot of files that the immigration has. Along with that, even if you are an international worker or you are on a work permit, still there are a lot of challenges happening. So now you have a opportunity that even if you are out of stat, or even if your study permit or work permit has expired between January 2020 to 31st of May 2021. So you can see within this time frame, if your study permit expire, you have a restoration period up to 31st of August 2021, which is a huge amount of time through which you can actually restore your status. Because what happened is that even out of the recent thing that has happened in Quebec, a lot of colleges that are in Quebec, Quebec Immigration Ministry or the Education Ministry was constantly investigating some of the colleges, because of which a lot of colleges have got their CAQs suspended up to 31st of March. So till the investigation is going on, a lot of international students have actually applied for CAQ extensions. And because they are not getting their CAQ on time, they cannot put their application for study permit without a CAQ, which has left a lot of international students in limbo. But after this declaration, now they have at least a sigh of relief that they have an extended period up to 31st of August 2021 that they can still restore their study status. And to all the international students who are new and sometimes you don't have the right information, I think Canada.ca is your best bet. You can always check the information, and whatever decision, whether it's the Quebec Immigration Ministry is taking or Canada immigration is taking, it's always in favor of international students. I understand if a college is doing something wrong or not in the right way, immigration or education ministry can take a call on it and do some research and do investigation. But I'm sure the student welfare or welfare of international students is core to the Canadian value system. So definitely they'll figure out some solutions for you. Please do not panic. Please do not get carried away with with all the misinformation which is being spread on internet. So avoid that. Always rely for pertinent information to the immigration website of the province that you are living in, or always refer Canada.ca. On this particular YouTube channel, we will be bringing a lot more content which is related to Canada, everything that's possible related to Canada, so that you can have first-hand and the best of information on everything about Canada. What type of videos do you appreciate? What kind of content you want us to create? Please feel free to share your comments and let us know what kind of videos you want us to make. And if you genuinely like this video, that new rules that have been brought into picture by Canada Immigration for international students for study permits or for work permits, let us know how do you find our video. And if you really like it, please make sure you like that, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe this YouTube channel and hit bell button so that we can create better and more content for you, and we keep bringing great quality content on everything about Canada. On that note, this is me, Johnny Hans, wishing you a very happy 2021, and may all your dreams come true in this year. And me signing off for the day. You have a good day. Thank you.